details of this over 2 hour long call between the US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin have come out. And one of the big details is the fact that Russia has now agreed to a limited energy and infrastructure ceasefire. They have agreed to halt all attacks on Ukrainian energy targets. And this is a big development because in the last couple of months, we've been seeing increased attacks on Ukrainian energy targets by Russia, and which has caused severe blackouts and energy crisis in Ukraine. So this is a big development, and this is one of the first steps towards peace talks, which was also mentioned in the statement, where both US and Russia have agreed to begin negotiations in the Middle East. And apart from that, an interesting development is also the fact that Iran was in fact featured in the talks between the two leaders. And in fact, according to the White House statement, it mentions that the two leaders shared the view that Iran should never be in the position to destroy Israel. Now, this is a crucial and big statement coming in within this call, because to tell our viewers, Russia and Iran are quite close allies, and they even signed a mutual agreement just in January, just days before Donald Trump returned to the White House. So this statement coming in, and from the White House statement, that both leaders have mentioned that Iran should never be in the position to destroy Israel, and this comes at a time when Israel has also begun fresh attacks on the Gaza Strip. So interesting developments. Otherwise, Russia and Ukraine have also agreed to swap 175 prisoners of war, including 23 gravely injured soldiers who will be swapped as well. So various interesting developments coming in from this call.